I'm sharing my recipe for lemon bars. So you'll need to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. For the crust you need 2 cups flour, half a cup sugar, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 2 sticks of butter. For the filling you need 1.5 cups of sugar, 1/4 cup flour, 4 large eggs, the zest of half a lemon, and some powdered sugar to sprinkle on the top once it's done. So here I am making the crust. I'm putting the flour, the sugar, the salt, and the butter. I'll list the full recipe in the description box. I'm using the Pioneer Woman's recipe. In her recipe though, she uses 4 lemons. I tried the recipe once with the 4 lemons. It was too tart. The next time I made it, I only used 2 and it was still a little bit too tart for my tasting. So here in this video, I'm only using 1. I like the way it came out. If you like more lemons, I'll list the recipes both ways in the description box.
It really makes me wonder.
I don't know what this tool is called. Pastry cutter? I'm not sure. But if you don't have one of these, you can always use either a fork or 2 butter knives. It works just the same.
Could it be to make the ground shine like gold?
And it says in the recipe for it to look coarse and crumbly, so it takes a little bit to get there, but it's well worth it.
It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder.
And now I'm buttering my 13 by 9 baking dish. And now I just pour the crust mixture into the baking dish and spread it out evenly, pat it down. Then you have to bake the crust, just the crust by itself, for 20 minutes at 350 degrees or until it comes out golden brown.
From so far away and show us where we are. It really makes me wonder.
And while the crust is baking, I get started on the filling.
It really makes me wonder. Yeah, I wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder.
And I gotta clean up as I go. So I crack my eggs one at a time because I'm notorious for getting eggshells. So that way if there's an eggshell after each addition, I can get it and not have to dig through all the mixture. And I've heard that if you roll the lemon, it makes it easier to juice it. So I just made sure everything was mixed. I added the rind of only half the lemon because, like I said, I don't like it too tart. And then here I'm juicing the lemon and I'm going to add the juice. So then once the 20 minutes has passed and the crust is ready, then you just pour the filling mixture over it and then you put it back in the oven for another 20 minutes and you're done. So it was pretty late after the lemon bars came out of the oven, and you have to let them cook completely, because if you sprinkle the powdered sugar on when it's too hot, it melts. So I just wrapped up the lemon bars really tightly in foil, but when I woke up in the morning, somebody had taken the foil out and eaten probably about 5 of the lemon bars. But that's okay. I'm glad my family loves lemon bars and they enjoy my baking. And this is what they look like. And before I could even finish taking pictures, I had another thief of the lemon bars. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the recipe.